Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a line in the Photopea app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap onto the Simple Editor button to choose the photo. Next, tap on to Choose from Library to add the photo you want to add. Now choose one photo that you want to edit. Next, to draw the line, here you can find the option of pencil icon at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Now you can choose the colors from the given options to draw a line. Now choose one color and simply draw the line. Just like this. Now draw as many lines as you want to draw on your photo, just like this. And that's it. You have now successfully learned how to draw a line on your photo in the Photopea app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.